Opportunities is basically about starting early with creating opportunities, facilitating them to happen. And for research and career opportunities, this is basically by networking. And often we are very occupied with our research, doing PhD, doing postdoc, and other things. Maybe we apply for projects, for funding. If we are involved, then that's an opportunity. But the long-term opportunity comes from your personal network. So when you're active with meeting others, discussing, this can be at conferences, it can be at workshops, at other places, but also online. So when you present online, exchange and have a lot of time for the discussion part, then you actually bond in different ways and you build your network. And maybe 5 years later, 10 years later, some of those in your network will be an opportunity because there's something which matches. And this is actually one way of looking for next career step very early. If you're active already during your PhD studies, then you might have already the postdoc position or the next position when you present your thesis. In many cases, I see that people start looking for opportunities when they have presented their thesis. And then, of course, there's a gap between that PhD and the next career step. But if you start earlier, then you're already prepared. You have built up the opportunities. So similar for postdoc, this is usually 2 years or something like that. If you're active with meeting people, then you actually can promote for the next career step very early. So networking is the main key for creating opportunities. And maybe one day we are so tired of research and innovation and the things we have been doing during 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and then we want to change something completely different. Then it's also our personal network. So that's why it's very important to also be a little bit personal. Like if someone likes cats, then we can have thumbs up for that and discuss cats for some time. And others might be interested in music. I have a music project myself. And those things, they bond, they glue things together. So we actually can collaborate more long term. And yesterday I had a visit from a former colleague and also a friend. And we did some things a few years ago. And now he's back and he doesn't have a job, and we discussed. But thanks to the previous history, we came up with some ideas. So on Monday, we will discuss those ideas and how to take the next steps. And this is because of built up relations already early in different ways. So networking is a good advice, and also it's very comfortable to sit here and have the cat here to comfort.